So if you want to create some cool parametric bedside lamp, you can create very easily. So first you have to draw a circle and you have to extrude it by using push pull tool and make it in a group. Now we have to draw a rectangle for vertical section. Press P and here I am extruding 3.5 feet. Now you have to select this model and then using rotation tool you have to press Ctrl and type X5. I have to select entire model and make it in a group. Now guys, here we will use Fredo scale tool. So select the model and click over here and then click at top of this point and then rotate it at the angle of 120 degree. Now you have to right click over the model and then select FFD tool. Click OK, then click over nodes and then select the nodes, and here you can control it parametrically. Like if you wanna scale, you can scale it. If you wanna move, you can move it, and if you wanna rotate, you can rotate it. So you have to just manipulate it. Here I am using a scale tool to create some cool shapes of lamp. Okay. So this plugin are free. You can download through the link in the description. Now we need to draw a upper part of lamp. So here I am just extruding little bit downwards and little bit in upward direction. Okay. So it's very easy to create some cool lamps in a parametric form. So guys, if you really like, please follow me, and you can comment if you really love this tutorial, and see you next tutorial. Have fun guys. Thank you.